Maximizing benefits. Donating your car for tax credit. In today's world, where environmental concerns and philanthropy hold significant importance, the act of donating a car for a tax credit has gained traction as a way to contribute to both charitable causes and one's financial well-being. While the concept might seem straightforward, understanding the nuances and potential benefits of this process can help individuals make the most of their charitable intentions and tax advantages. Number 1. The basics of donating a car. When you decide to donate your car to a qualified nonprofit organization, you're not only making a charitable contribution but also potentially gaining a tax benefit. This process involves transferring ownership of your vehicle to the nonprofit, which will then either use the car for its operations or sell it to raise funds for its mission. Number 2. Tax credits versus tax deductions. It's important to clarify the distinction between tax credits and tax deductions. A tax deduction reduces the total amount of your taxable income, potentially lowering the amount of income subject to taxation. On the other hand, a tax credit directly reduces the amount of tax you owe, providing a dollar-for-dollar reduction in your tax liability. Number 3. Determining the tax credit. The tax credit you receive for donating your car is based on the fair market value of the vehicle and the way the nonprofit uses it. If the nonprofit sells the car, your credit is typically limited to the actual sale price. However, if the nonprofit uses the car for its operations, for instance, by providing transportation for its staff, you may be eligible for a credit based on the fair market value of the vehicle. To ensure you're eligible for a tax credit, it's crucial to donate your car to a qualified nonprofit organization. These organizations are typically recognized under Section 501(c)(3) of the Internal Revenue Code. Before donating, do your research to ensure the nonprofit is legitimate and will use the proceeds from the car in ways that align with your values. To claim a tax credit for your car donation, you'll need to itemize your deductions when filing your tax return. Make sure to keep proper documentation of the donation, including a receipt from the nonprofit detailing the value of the car. If the car's value exceeds $500, you'll also need to fill out IRS Form 8283. Number 4. Limitations and considerations. It's important to note that there are limitations to the tax credit you can receive from donating a car. The IRS has established rules to prevent individuals from inflating the value of their donated vehicles. Additionally, tax laws and regulations can change, so it's recommended to consult a tax professional or financial advisor before making any decisions.